Hey everyone, it's your buddy Dan from FRZ Trading. Today I am going to show you how to use set files in MetaTrader. Let's get started. Set files are preset custom settings for indicators or expert advisors. When you save a set file for your custom settings of your EA or indicator, you can quickly load those settings later by loading that set file without needing to remember all the custom settings you had before. Set files have the file extension of .set, and they are saved in the preset folder of your MetaTrader installation. You can go to File and then select Open Data Folder to open the data folder. On the data folder, click on MQL4 or MQL5 folder, depending on MT4 or MT5. Then you will see the preset folder within that folder. However, set files need not be located in the preset folder. You can save the set file anywhere on your computer. You just need to know the location of your set file to load it. Now let's look at how you can save a set file for your custom settings. On most custom experts or indicators, you will get an Input tab. Once you set your custom settings, you can simply click on the Save button and give it a name and save it. Similarly, you can load the set file by clicking on the Load button and then selecting the set file you need. If you need to see the default settings, you can click on the Reset button that will reset your settings to default settings. Now let's see how you can use a set file to backtest an expert advisor on the Strategy Tester. First, click on the Strategy Tester under the View menu. Once the Strategy Tester is loaded, select the expert advisor you need to test. Then go to Expert Properties and select the Input tab. There you will see the Load button. Just click on the Load button and then select the set file from your computer. Once the set file is selected, click on Open and then click on the OK button. Now the set file settings are loaded to the expert advisor, and then you can simply click on the Start button to start back testing once all other strategy tester settings are set as you need. Now let's see how to do the same on MT5. The procedure is almost the same. First, launch the Strategy Tester from the View menu, then select Single from the Overview tab. On the Settings tab, you can select the Expert Advisor and other backtesting settings. Then select the Input tab. Then right-click on anywhere on the Input tab. Then from the menu you get the options like Load, Save, and Reset, similar to MT4. If you want to load a given set file, simply click on Load and select the set file from your computer. Similarly, the Save button will save your existing custom settings, while Reset button will reset the current settings to default settings. Once everything is done, you can simply click on the Start button on the right bottom corner to start the backtest. That's all for today, and I hope you learned something. Thank you for watching.